Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly our contact list, and the second is using, let's say, dialer settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with opening the contacts, for example using the dialer. Now let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Here from this step we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and of course that was a misclick. And after tapping on it you will be able to find block numbers option. So let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and tap on block. And as you can see right here we've got the information, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked this number. Of course we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the switcher here, and not switcher, three dots icon, and that was again a misclick. Three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but we can I want to leave it like this. I want to leave it blocked because we will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So that was the very first way of blocking a number, and now let me show you another way. So as I said, it will be using the settings, and here in this way it doesn't really matter if you will on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now we have to find blocked numbers. And as you can see, this is our blacklist, and fortunately this is the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. This option is working, and from this step we can also add a number to a blacklist manually, so we do not have to have it on our contacts, we do not have to save that number. All we have to do is to simply tap on add a number, and as you can see here we can manually enter it. Tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on this blacklist. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, and after activating that your device will block calls from unidentified callers. Of course you can keep it turned on, you can turn it off whenever you want to, and if you'd like to unblock the number from this level, just tap on this X icon right next to it and tap on unblock, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. So let me unblock also this one. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.